ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu máa sọ ń sìn ẹnikẹ́ni nínú wa ń tẹ́ ẹ bá rí sí kí oníkálukú kọ sábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ntì yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ká bú ebú lọ́dọ̀ tèmi Ààrẹ Almaroof ẹ jẹ́ kó oníkálukú wa máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ mi asọmọ Yorùbá asọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin Òjòpá Ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀màdé ọmọ Àtìbà ẹ jẹ́ kí oníkálukú máa lọ. Let us go. The best way is to divide Nigeria. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí Tinubu máa sọ tẹ́ bá gbọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ tán kẹwàá gbọ́n kò tó máa sọ lé lórí.
Those who could improve this situation for the good of all of us do not allow the opportunity to make things better for us. They make it better for themselves, for their comfort and their families. Cronyism is prevailing. Today, our rulers in Abuja and across some of their states, you know what they say to us when they remove subsidy and we say no. Hunger is increasing, they say, so what? Unemployment is a cause, they say, yes, we know. Why are the people hungry? Is that let them face death. That is what is in Abuja of today. The current way of governance make nation do the impossible. What it does, it makes poverty and the erosion of just society inevitable. We have gathered at this hour in this place to put an end to the national corruption and corruption. We have assembled here today to bring a new day and a new Nigeria to our people. Today, the Nigerian people are decent and hardworking people. They are equally long suffering. They tolerate for too long. Just because they are long suffering does not mean they should be forced to suffer until death comes. We, our people, we've had a number of excuses. Our people have had a number of having nothing. The current government's trademark is to throw empty words at our problem, as if doing nothing will cause our troubles to live for sheer boredom. Unemployment increases. Industrialization, we have not. Refinery, nothing is working. Electricity, they lie. If this is the government of, if this is the government's idea of transformation, and we have none of it, we should not have any of it. Because before, we said the government of slow motion. Now, it is the government of no motion at all. If they want to stand still at the bus stop or train station and be stagnated without poverty, they have the right to do so. And we have a right to kick them out. Not enough that they are stealing from our children tomorrow for lack of investment in education. They are still embezzling the retirement benefit of hardworking Nigeria, including our grandfathers. They are stealing the port, the treasury, not even leaving some coins for us to war with. Let them be out. Out now.
Ọlọ́gbọ́n nìkan lọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa yé o. Òpònú èèyàn ló máa lórí ohun ò pé ohun ò gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ. Ẹni tó bá lọ́gbọ́n lórí á mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn sọ ó níbi tó fèsì ó níbi tó kọjú sí níbo ni wọ́n mú níbẹ̀ ìwọ náà fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì ẹ sábẹ́ àbí kó náà ṣe fídíò ṣáàṣì ní Nàìjíríà is anything Nàìjíríà fọlọpọlọ tí anything bá ṣe wà pé Nàìjíríà ṣe wà ẹ̀kọ́ sábẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ láì jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe máa bá lọ wọ́n ti ṣókì bàbá yín wọ́n ti mú ẹpọn bàbá yín wọ́n ti fún lọ́rùn wọ́n ti gbé tírígà sí létí wọ́n gbé sí lẹ́yìn wọ́n gbé sí lọ́rùn àwa wítọ́ pásítọ̀ kan ní pé kí ìyàwó Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kó lọ poison Tinubu èyí náà wò pásítọ̀ ọmọ Ìgbò àwọn nǹkan báyìí tó yẹ káwọn ìjọba kan máa lọ píkì àwọn olórí burúkú tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí kan máa píkì wọn. It's not about Ààrẹ Almaroof in support of Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu gbogbo tó ṣe yé kò dùn mọ́ èmi rárá àmọ́ where can we go? What do you support? Did you support one Nigeria or you support Nigeria should divide? Did you support Yoruba nation or you support Arewa or you support Biafra? If anyone you support, please kindly put your comment below. Thank you very much. Àwa la ní ìlú wa kó ní kálukú lọ nílùú ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.